Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jane Malloy here, a Stampin' Up demonstrator from Gold Coast, Australia, and I'm so excited today to show you my secret garden layouts. This was a close to my heart exclusive paper pack that is now being sold by Stampin' Up, and it's actually on sale at the moment, which is super exciting because I just completed my layouts and I wanted to show them to you. So I have grabbed the paper pack and the coordinating cardstock and also the flower Secret Garden thin cuts, which are gorgeous. So this is the first two pages that I have created. They are so beautiful. I've used the sentiment here, beautiful smile, and these are going to be for some beautiful flowers from the Toowoomba Flower Festival. So I wanted to make them really elegant and beautiful. So this is all of the pink tones and yellow toned paper in the Secret Garden paper pack, which is absolutely exquisite. And these are actually the little stickers that come on the matching sticker sheet in the paper pack. These are the beautiful flower Secret Garden thin cuts, and they are just a must-have. You just have to have these in your crafting collection. They are just beautiful. I've actually stamped them on white cardstock and then actually just colored them in with the peach ink from Close to My Heart. And then I have just popped them together with some beautiful green cardstock there. So that is the first layout. This is the second page of the layout. And I have to give a big shout out to my two US Stampin' Up demonstrator friends, Holly Vaselinak and Dana Swadling, because they are the ones that I have the inspiration for making these pages from. So they originally created these gorgeous pages and then I have recreated them. This one is absolutely stunning as well. Look how beautiful this is. The papers are just beautiful, and I love the design of this because you get to see a sneak peek of all of the beautiful papers in the paper pack. And then I have done yellow flowers for this one. So the exact same technique, cutting out on white daisy cardstock and then sponging with some yellow ink. So this is the second layout, and then I have raised up with my Stampin' Dimensionals some of the elements from the sticker sheet. For the embellishments, the Secret Garden dots actually sold out really quickly, so they're no longer available. So if you did manage to get them, then that's amazing. But I've just used some little sequins from my stash. These little actual sequins here, they actually came from one of the card kits from Stampin' Up. So this is the third layout, which probably I think is my favorite layout. And I'm going to probably use some flip flaps as well when I do add my photos in the future. So this one says Memories, Life is Good, and I absolutely love all of the stickers that came with this one. This was actually a sticker and I popped it on a little bit of white cardstock and just fussy cut it out. These are the blue flowers, and I've actually used the periwinkle ink from Close to My Heart, and then these are just some embellishments from my stash. But they're just absolutely gorgeous. And I actually gutted this paper too, so I didn't use so many layers of paper. I actually just cut the middle sections of the paper out so that I could save the paper, but it's absolutely stunning. And then this is the second page of that layout. So beautiful. I mean, these flowers, you will just become obsessed with this die cut set. I am so glad that I grabbed these Secret Garden thin cuts. So they are the beautiful layouts. So this is just some of the paper that I have left from the paper pack. Not a lot. I do have some scraps that I can make some more layouts and also some cards, but I just wanted to show you the beautiful pattern papers on this Secret Garden paper pack. It is absolutely gorgeous. It uses the colors Artichoke Espresso, French Vanilla, Glacier, Honey Butter, Limeade, Peach, Mint, Periwinkle, Pine, and Sage. So you can create so many different beautiful flower color combinations with these papers. I've got two of this paper, which is actually really hard to cut into because it's so gorgeous. And I've got two of these more subtle patterns here as well. So they're all absolutely beautiful papers, and I'm just so impressed with this collection. It was a bit emotional making pages and cards from this collection because it is one of the last ever Close to My Heart collections that is now available on my Stampin' Up website. So these are the beautiful thin cuts. These are a must-have in your craft stash. This is actually a little guide on how you can pop the flower dies together. And then this is how many die cuts you get. So thin cuts, die cuts, whatever you like to call them. You get so much bang for your buck here. It's honestly so good. And the fact that it's now 30% off while supplies last, I'm telling you, you better snap this paper pack up and these thin cuts up, because they literally won't last. It's all while supplies last. And I'm just going to bring the cards in to show you, because they are just as stunning. So these are the gorgeous Secret Garden cards that I created, and they are so beautiful. I can't even tell you how fun they were to create. Again, I got inspiration from the amazing Holly Vasilinek and Dana Swadling for these cards, and they are so beautiful. And I just had so much fun. Actually used a little bit of periwinkle glitter cardstock here, and then I just popped the pattern paper down. This was actually a stamp from my Close to My Heart stash. I wanted that beautiful kind of cursive writing, and then again I have die cut out these Secret Garden flower thin cuts, and then I have sponged over the periwinkle ink to match the paper pack perfectly. Added the little leaves as well, and this is the pink version of the card, and I actually used some little Stampin' Up embellishments on these cards, which is really beautiful. I will pop the supply list below for all of the products I have used in these beautiful cards and pages. So if you're looking for any of the products, the supply list will be in the comments below. That's actually a stamp from Stampin' Up. It's one of the retired stamps from Stampin' Up, but it's really beautiful. And I did kind of two different versions of these cards, because I popped the two different flowers on there. You can see the slightly different look with that one. This one's probably my favorite flower cluster, so I did that quite a few times. And then this one is really beautiful as well. And I have lots of scraps left over that I could actually decorate the inside of the card. This one is actually a sticker from the sticker sheet, and then I popped it on the back of one of the large thin cuts. And then that was how I created that little card. And then I wanted to actually show you this other beautiful card that Jackie Paik made. She is actually another Stampin' Up sister demonstrator here in Australia, and she made me this beautiful card using the Secret Garden. So you can make little fancy fold cards too, and they are just so beautiful. You will fall in love with these beautiful, gorgeous flower die cuts. They can be used for so many things. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you have found some inspiration. If you have the Secret Garden collection in your stash, I hope you have found some inspiration here to make some cards and pages. As always, thank you for liking, subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.